Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Chad from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the hat. Let's start with the curve across. Then from both ends, let's angle it down and out. And then a curve across to finish off the brim. Now on top, let's add the spikes. Let's draw a curved V shape up on the left and on the right. And now let's draw 3 more in between. Next, behind the spikes, let's draw a curved line by continuing it across. Now on top of both sides, let's draw a small angle going up, and then a curve across the top. And then one more on top to close off the hat. Now let's move underneath and let's start drawing the head. Underneath on the right side, let's draw a V-shaped point. Then hop over to the left and let's draw an angle down and out. And then curve it out and down for the end of the snout. Now underneath, we'll start drawing the mouth by curving it in. Add 2 V-shaped points up. And then one more larger one over. Now let's move back over to the left side and let's draw a curve down and bring it over for the bottom of the mouth. And then underneath, let's draw an angled curve for the neck. Now that we have the shape of the head, lastly, let's move inside and let's draw a circle for the eye. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and let's draw the scarf. Let's start under the head on the right side here and let's draw an angled line down and then curve it back up. Now on the left, let's draw another curve underneath. Now let's hop back up on the right side, and behind the head here, let's draw a small curve out, and then curve it down. And then at the end, let's add another bent line like this. Again, let's hop back up to the right and let's draw a wavy line down. And then curve it back up at the end to close it off. Now let's hop back up on the right and let's draw 2 curves coming to a point. And then inside, let's add a curve and then bring it up at the end. And that's it for the scarf. Now let's move down and let's draw the first arm. Let's start by drawing a curve out and then bring it all the way down. And the same thing next to it on the left. Now from the inside line, let's draw a curve up and back down for the thumb. Then let's add another finger underneath, a bent line for the next finger, and then one more smaller one to close off the hand. Now that we're done the first arm, let's move over and let's draw the belly. Let's start underneath the scarf and let's draw a curve down and then curve it over to the hand. And then let's continue it on the other side and curve it up for the tail. Now top back up on the top right and underneath the scarf here, let's draw zigzag lines down for the spikes on the back. Stopping here. Now let's continue the spikes over to close off the top of the tail. Next, let's move inside the body and let's draw the belly patch. Let's start on the left side of the arm and we're going to draw a curve down and over. Then continue it on the other side all the way to the end of the tail. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's add the other arm on the left side. On the left, next to the scarf, let's draw an angled line out and back in. And then another larger one next to it on the left. Now from the bottom of this line, let's draw a curve down and up. Now top up and let's draw another curve around. And then one more back in to close off the hand. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Underneath the belly, let's draw a curve out and down. And then a longer one next to it. Now let's do the same thing for the other leg on the right here. Now for the outside shorter line, let's angle it down. And then close off the bottom of each foot. And that's it for Chad. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!